Me again, and I'm coming to tell you about Thieves today. A lot of people wonder about the name. Why Thieves? Well, the story is the legend of the thieves who were robbing the dead and dying during the Black Plague, and they weren't getting ill. They were spice traders, and they were wearing some cloves, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Young Living added lemon, and that's been an incredible oil that is probably our most famous oil of all. It's incredibly immune boosting. You can add it to your ningxia, you can add it to a cup of hot tea, or even a spoonful of honey, and it helps the thieves go down. We also have a whole line of Thieves products because they have been proven to be more immune boosting than anything else on the planet. We have our household cleaner, we have our toothpaste, oral care products. Thieves is amazing for you. So get out your Thieves, crack it open, put a drop in your water or a drop in your hot tea or in your ningxia every morning. There's also the regular Thieves that you can put on the bottom of your feet or diffuse. It smells like Christmas in a bottle. We love it. Bye guys.